Hi friends. So today I'm back again to share two other principles from the book 80% Mindset, 20% Skill Set, written by Dave Gadvi, India's number one passionpreneur. So without any further delay, let's dive into those two letters. Okay. So one is U, the other one is V. Okay. U as in unrealistic, okay, or probably unreasonable. Have you ever thought of having a goal in life? Okay, or maybe like a short-term goal or long-term goals, so whatever. So have we ever have a goal in life? Okay, I know like we all have a goals in life, like let's say like by end of this year I want to buy a new mobile phone, or maybe by end of next 2 years I want to buy a good car, or probably I want to upgrade my car, or maybe in the next 5 to 10 years I want to buy a house and then clear my loan payment or something. So this is the kind of goals which we normally set up on day-to-day basis. Okay, and have you ever thought, okay, so am I reaching the goal? Yes. So most of us will reach the goals. You know why? Because we are setting the goals to a minimum possible extent that we think we can achieve. So we do not want to set up a bigger goals in life because we fear that we will not be able to achieve these goals. Okay, so that's why we always set up realistic goals, which is the key reason why most of the people are not happy or not successful. Okay, so you have to raise your bar. So only when if you put goals like which are unrealistic or unreasonable, only then you will have that burning desire or fire to achieve those goals. Maybe for some others, like these goals might be really unreasonable or unrealistic, but for you, so who believe in yourself, these goals are really reasonable. Okay. Second one is V as in value. Value. Yeah. I think until the time I started this reading this book or attending the seminar from Dave Gadvi sir, I don't even know what a value is. Okay, all I know a value is maybe in a mathematical formula. So when you do 2 into 3 or 3 into 4 or maybe an equation, so the whatever the answer is treated as value for me. So that is what I call as value. But I think the value here we are talking about is what is that you are giving to the world. So what is that you are taking out of you and giving to the society? Okay, so it can be an art which you are aware of, or it can be a skill which you know, which you want to share with the society, or maybe a pain which you had and you found a solution which you want to give to the society. It can be anything. How you are going to give value back to the society or back to the universe, so that is what the key principle and very very important principle for anyone who want to be successful in life. Okay, so it's not money, it's not wealth, it's not fame, name, nothing. It's all revolves around value. Okay, so value is the main essential ingredient of any successful person. Okay, so this is what even Seafood Danlock always mentions. So bring more and more value. So wealth or anything else will come naturally as a byproduct. Okay, so bear in mind, guys. So value is very important. Okay, second thing is visualize. Okay, uh, again going back to the let's say unrealistic goals. Let's say you put some unrealistic goals. Okay, so without we visualizing where we want to go, what we want to achieve, we cannot achieve that. Okay, so always whatever be our goal, we have to visualize here. Okay, we have to think that it is true. Okay, only then if you think it is true on a daily basis, your subconscious mind will not be fed with that and we will not be able to achieve that. Okay, so visualization of something what you want to achieve is very very important, guys. Okay, thanks guys, that's all for today. So I'll come up with a few other principles in the later sessions. Thank you so much. Bye.